What's happening now, Buggy Ball too? Wait, am I driving? No, this is an auto driver.
4 banana, 3 banana, 2 banana, 1. All bananas playing in the bright warm sun. Flipping like a pancake, popping like a cork.
Bingo! Bingo! Woohoo! Come on, Sligo, you get off like... First and 9% the splits! Then it does! That's neither enough to put our sports club will now come to order.
I'll have a medium pizza, half marshmallow, half pepperoni. What? Legal said he was calling an order.
I think he meant the meeting was about to begin.
Oh, so no pepperoni.
First up, we need to talk about... Snorky, are you alright? He has the hiccups.
Well, then hold your breath, Snort.
But that never works. You have to hold your breath and hop on one leg. Who told you that was the cure, Snort? You need to.
Try standing on your head.
Well, take some water. How are you feeling, Snork?